Hey everybody, Spencer Atkins, and it's time now for a new installment of our video blog here on the Weather Blender blog. And we're going to be talking about here, obviously, some snow falling as we are expecting an Alberta Clipper type system to roll on through. So let's dive into the weather models. And we're going to start off here with a model that we call the GFS, the Global Forecast System. And as we look here, we do see a high pressure, big area of high pressure out to the west, circled in red, circled in blue. That's another area of some cold air, high pressure, swinging in on top of this system. It's a disturbance there. You can see some of those curvy lines across the Great Lakes. That's a little trough of low pressure, a little front that's going to squeeze its way on through. There's enough moisture coming in around the east side of that high to kick off snow showers. Now those should begin. This would be Monday evening at about 7 o'clock. And then we roll ahead, and now here we are on Tuesday. You can see the area of snow showers has diminished, but those highs are still in the same place. So we still have snow showers falling. Don't think there's a whole lot of moisture with this because the system should move pretty quickly. Looking at what the weather models intend here, by about 48 hours, the GFS calls for most of us about 1 inch to 2 inches, and then maybe 2 inches or so in the high country, as you can see. Okay, so now that system rolls away. That high that I had circled out west begins to push its way, nose its way on off here into our neighborhood, and you can see we get a little bit of the southwesterly to westerly flow going. This is Wednesday in the morning at about 7, 8 in the morning, and that high is going to take up shop, bringing us sunshine, little extra warmth, and toward, let's say, Thursday, we could even see temperatures well into the upper 40s. And who knows, maybe somebody in the region will get up there around 50 degrees. We'll keep our eyes on that. We're going to jump ahead now because nothing happens until Saturday. New storm brewing, big 1,000 millibar low along the southeast Gulf Coast, as you can see here. And that is going to be lifting its way to the north and to the east. It's going to run into a little bit of high pressure. There's another high actually up above Michigan, too. Those are all key. As the system right there, the blue line would indicate your freezing line at 5,000 feet, that zero line right across West Virginia, across US 50 there. So that's colder air upstairs, and you can see that line presses to the south. So this is Sunday. Now we have a 1,004 millibar low that's going to swing off the east coast. And guess what? That high up there north of Michigan, that's jamming cold air into it. The low's wrapping moisture back into our neighborhood, and that could bring us some very heavy wet snow on Sunday in the high terrain once again, so we'll have to keep our eyes on that, and even some heavy wet snow across I-64. That again is Sunday. Moving all the way on out to about Monday, we see that that low has moved offshore, but we're still on the cold side of that. And would that still be snow? Well, we look at another chart that we call thicknesses, and if you can see here, this is the thickness line. That's the 1,000 to 500 millibar thickness. If you're inside the line that says 540, 540, it's actually 5,400 meters. If you're inside that, that's snow, and so we could see even more snow on our Monday. Very, very interesting stuff going on out there. But at least we do get a warming trend for a couple of days. So a shot of snow Monday evening into Tuesday, and then it looks like perhaps another big storm system coming up on the weekend, something that we'll keep our eyes on. Hope you like this kind of thing out here on the internet, and we'll keep doing it if you do. And send us some comments. Let us know what's on your mind, and keep in touch with us. It's weather at WOWK-TV.com. Have yourselves a great rest of the weekend and a good start to your work week.